With this simple AI tool, you can run a one-person digital printing business online with just your mobile phone, even without having any prior knowledge about this particular business. Okay, in this video I'm going to show you this AI tool which helps you create printed design, turn this design to a product, and also help you to sell it out online. What you need to do is simply watch this video down to the very end, because I'm going to be breaking it down step by step on how you can actually get started. And the best part is that you can actually handle this with just your mobile phone. All right, following these simple steps which I'm about showing you at the ending part of this video, you'll be able to understand how you can actually create your own print on demand product which you can sell out online. And the best part, you're not going to be handling the delivery, you're not going to be handling the product shipping and all of that. Okay, every single stuff is being handled by these two which I'm about showing you in this very video. As you can show right here, this is my own store right here. I have different products which are selling. So without further ado, if you're new to this very channel, hit the like button, subscribe to this very channel. So what you need to do is simply head over to this particular website. I'm going to be revealing the name of this website as we proceed in this very video, so that you'll be able to understand how it works, so that you won't be making any single mistake. All right, you're going to see a lot of stuff right here going on. You can see we have the create section, we have the AI hub, we have the product, we have the template, and many more. All right, most of your groups might be telling you to go to the template section, but that is not the current update right now. If you want to actually start a print on demand business right now in 2026 that will sell out for you, you're going to simply click on this AI hub. Okay, so this is where you're going to simply see the Agentic AI, which is going to simply handle everything as a real human. And the best part is that the strategies we're going to simply implement with this AI tool will make us to create our own original designs that we can actually sell out in different stores. All right, you can sell this design on ST, you can sell it on Redbubble, you can sell it on Printify, you can sell it on the Printful, and many more. All right, what you need to do is to get original design. So fall back to this very section. You can see right here, if you come to this section, you're going to see what do you want to create today. Most people will end up adding prompts without making any research and a lot of that. So I'm going to be showing you two simple ways to actually get this done, so you can actually get a original design that is selling, that is fast selling at the moment. Okay, so it is one thing for you to get original design, and another thing to get a design that people are sorting out for in all of these platforms which I've already mentioned: Amazon, Printify, Printful, XT, and a lot more. Right, so there are two strategies which I'm going to be showing you in this same video. Okay, the first strategy is to head over to your ChatGPT. All right, you're going to simply ask ChatGPT to give you best selling design as of this particular moment. Okay, July 2026. Okay, if you're seeing this video later on, you have to make sure you use your current date. Okay, if you're seeing this video a month later or 1 year later, make sure you use your own current date for this strategy. It is still going to work. All right, it end up making some research and giving me the best thing I need. You can see these are the best selling POD, print on demand design style right now in 2026. Okay, you can see the prompt for each of these designs. Okay, I've already compiled all my prompts, all the prompts that I use to design my product, every other stuff in one PDF file that will also help you as a beginner to get started and know what to create. Okay, so if you want me to send you that prompt, just notify me below, then I'm going to simply send it to you, or you join us on a Telegram, WhatsApp channel to get this. All right, so what you need to do is simply come to this section right here. You have to simply copy this prompt for designing this product. Just copy this prompt, come back to this particular website which I'm going to be revealing the name. Just come to this section right here and paste it here. Okay, but before you send it, make sure you select Agentic AI. Just click on this and paste that same prompt again. All right, so once you have this in place, just make sure you select one time number of generation. So click on this send button here. You can see right here it generating the image. You can show right here, this is the cool design it gave us just right now within few seconds. All right, so I can actually go ahead and click on it, this particular design, then tell it to give me more variation of it. Let's say then you send it. It has already given us different variation of this particular image. Okay, so for this fishing niche right here, you can actually copy this. All right, then come back to this variation and ask it to give you image for this as well. Okay, and this is another design. You can see the new design we have right now. So I like this one, and I'm going to simply work with this one, but let's try out other prompt. Okay, so go back to this very section right here. We're going to simply pick another one. Let's say this one is flaming score. Let's copy this, then come back here, then paste it here. Okay, so remember this is actually giving us cool designs. Okay, all right, so click on the send button. Remember we are going with one. Click on the send button. what is the next design right here. This is the next cool design we have here, okay? And you can see vividly that each of these designs are all wonderful. They are all cool and great. You can see the details, and the best part is that you can actually go ahead and make some variation of it. This is one of the best strategies to get your own original design that you can actually use out for any platform of your choice, okay? So this is the first strategy, and the second strategy is to actually go to a platform that is already selling some print on demand designs, okay? You can go to ST, you can go to Printify, you can go to Printful, you can go to Printful and any other platform and look for their marketplace. Search for any type of design of your choice. Only this is going to simply bring out every single details about what is trending right now, and you can see. And if you go over and search for t-shirt, right, so automatically you're going to simply see a lot of designs on t-shirt that are trending, where you can actually get some inspirations from and also give it to your AI to actually create your own original specific piece. All right, the best thing to do is to actually filter to the recent one, okay? Because we are not after something that has been here for 10 years or 5 years or more. No, we don't want that. We want something that are of recent and also making wave, okay? That's what we want. Click on the filter section and click on the newest, okay? We want the newly launched designs that are also making sales, okay? So if you come to this section, you have to simply pick the ones you want and take some screenshot of it, okay? So for instance, if you click on this one right here, what you need to do is simply look out for the reviews, when those reviews were being dropped, okay? That's what you have to simply check. If you scroll down right, you're gonna see this review was dropped July 18, 2026, July 18, 2026, and lot more, okay? That means people are actually buying this stuff, all right? So what you need to do is simply take some screenshot of this and tell ChatGPT to give you equivalent type of design, and make sure you tell it to be original. Don't copy from this, rather make this as an inspiration, all right? And with that prompt, you have to simply fall back to this very section and add it right here to give you original design of your own, okay? Or you can take a screenshot and paste it here and craft your own prompt, okay? So having known that, the next strategy is to actually sell out this design. Remember, this is not really all. What you need to do is simply come over to this very section right here, click on this design. Let's say if you want to sell this, we can actually click on the quick export, or you click on this and click on the export button, okay? You can actually use this remove background tool. You click on this, remove background, so the background will be removed for you, okay? So once the background is removed, you'll be able to export it, okay? So let's wait for it to remove the background. Remember, the background is transparent, okay? But because of those dot transparent logo, we don't want that to be on our own product, okay? So we decided to remove it, so it has been removed, and now right now we can actually go ahead and export it, okay? So we want the PNG, we want this, and also click on the export button. Automatically it will be exported for you, okay? So let's open it. Okay, you can see right here, this is the high quality design we have right here on this very section. You can see, so most of you might be afraid of the design, but there are a lot of people out there looking for this type of design to buy, okay? So if that one is not really what you want, you can actually go ahead and click on this one right here. Okay, so you can see right here, this is what we have, and the details on this design are all amazing, okay? So the next thing to do right now is simply go ahead and start selling this design for your own shelf, okay? So to sell this design, there are a lot of platforms to use. You can actually use ST to sell this, you can use Printify to sell it, you can use Printful, and this one right here, which is called Redbubble, you can actually use it, okay? I've already made a full detailed video on how you can actually sell on Redbubble. So if you want me to make a video on how you can sell on ST, how you can sell on Printful, just let me know in the comment section. But right now I'm going to be showing you how you can actually upload these on Printify, okay, and start selling. So go over to your Printify here and click on the upload button, select my device, okay? So this is where you're going to simply upload your design from, okay? So click on it and open the design section, go to your download button, or go to this section right. You can see these are the designs here, then click on open, and automatically this will be uploaded right here on this very library. You can actually drag it to fit in to this very section. We want it to fit in, okay? So you can see right here, this is the front side, this is the back side, okay? So the back side, we're going to simply add that same stuff. You can see this is the front, this is the back side. Select it, okay? So that's the back side. Then the sleeve side, and I can actually click on the preview button to preview everything. You can see it. This is the front too. You can see beautiful design we have here. You can see the front size. So let's go to the back section of the cloth. You can see it right here. Now I have to simply go with this, then click on the save button. Okay, so once you're done selecting the ones you want from this very section, click on the save selection. Okay, you can see right here our new listing has been optimized with AI. Okay, so let's go ahead and click on this confirm. Okay, this is the name of the design, and you can see the description has been added automatically with this particular Printify AI tool. Okay, so you click on this section right here that says enable personalization. Okay, so if you want your buyers to make a request of what they want, okay, like if they want to get a black color of this t-shirt, or they want to get a green color or black color or any other color, or add some stuff on that particular t-shirt, then they can actually write to you, then you make the design with this same AI tool. Okay, and the name of this AI tool is kittl.com. all right, so go ahead and try it out right now. So the next thing to do right now is simply go ahead and add the pricing. Okay, so the pricing is in USD. Okay, each of these designs you are seeing here has their own separate prices. Okay, and automatically this platform is going to simply give us the perfect price for each of these products. Okay, you click on this publish, and from this section you have to simply go ahead and connect it to your ST or your Shopify and start selling this product automatically. Okay, but if you don't want to connect any store, you can actually create your own store on Printify and start selling, and with that you can start selling this as a product on different stores. Right, that's basically how print on demand works. Okay, if you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to this video channel, and turn on the bell notification icon for more updates. Don't forget to join us on the Telegram and WhatsApp channel. If you want all my prompt pack, just let me know in the comment section. See you in the next update.